Is your Chrome browser a mess with scores of open windows and tabs that make it hard to find what you're doing? Let's take a look at 4 tips to conquer your tabs and unlock a more productive Chrome flow.
First off, if you frequently use a few tabs together, you can group them. Right-click and choose Add Tabs to New Group. Give the group a name and optionally a color, and it's like you get a bookmark that opens several tabs. Click it from any window and it will either open or jump to those tabs. Click the group name to expand and collapse the tabs. Second, if you lost a tab, use Tab Search to find it. Click the 3 dots near the top right corner and select More Tools and then Tab Search. The little box that opens, type a keyword from the tab title, and when you find the item that you want, click it and jump right to that tab wherever it is open, or if it was recently open, reopen it. Third, if you need to work in 2 tabs at once, perhaps to view a list of dates in one tab and add them to your calendar in another, use Split View. Select the tabs and then right-click and choose Add Tab to New Split View or New Split View with Current Tab to view the tabs side by side and work really efficiently. Finally, make all these tools and more easier to access by customizing your Chrome. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to More Tools, and then Customize Chrome. Then scroll down and click Toolbar and toggle on and off the tools that you want to try. In particular, you can turn Split View on here and under Tools and Actions, Tab Search. Also check out Create QR Code, and this allows you to create a QR code from any page you're on by simply clicking. Also, Reading Mode. When you're turn on Reading Mode and visit page, it opens up a sidebar with many cool ways to experience the content.
Chips and shortcuts for
better browsing. From tab groups to
Now, sit back and enjoy a much more organized Chrome.